Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a how to treat dry scalp on low hair. There are a few things that I will use to conduct this procedure, and they are as follows: aloe vera, castor oil, and olive oil ear spray. Now I already went ahead and prepared my aloe vera mixture. All I did was remove the gel from the plant and place the gel in the blender and blend until it's smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the mixture to my client's hair. Now while you're applying the mixture, you want to focus mainly on the root because that's where the problem is. After I'm through applying the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and massage everything in the scalp and make sure it's evenly distributed. After I'm through massaging the scalp, I'm going to allow the mixture to sit in my client's hair for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash with a Nizoral shampoo. Now I'm going to blow dry my client's hair and move on to the next step. Now if you're wondering what those white particles in my client's hair are, those are residues from the aloe vera mixture, but I'm going to remove them in the next procedure. Now I'm going to go through section by section and remove any dry scalp from my client's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Jamaican black castor oil to deep treat my client's scalp. Now the castor oil is a very good solution for dry scalp and dandruff. Please note the castor oil is very thick, so you just need small amount in the scalp. After I'm through applying the castor oil, I'm going to go ahead and massage it in the scalp. Then use a salt comb to detangle my client's hair. Now this procedure is almost over, but I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing. I'm going to use the olive oil ear spray to add sheen and a beautiful smell. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!